Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 5.1.2 on dominant seventh chords. So, the dominant seventh chord is the most common type of seventh chord, and it's one we've actually seen since the very beginning of Unit 1. What does that sound like? It sounds like a 5-7 chord that wants to resolve here. 5-7 2 1. All 5-7 chords are dominant seventh chords. So we're already familiar with how they sound, and we've actually been writing them for quite a while. If you're going to think about them in terms of intervals or in terms of triads, take a major triad and just slap a minor third up top. Or you can think about the distance between the root and the seventh as being a minor seventh. It's another typo I just had to correct. If you're reading other theory textbooks, you might see major, minor 7, because it's a major triad and a minor 7, but I've never seen this outside of a theory textbook, so just call it dominant 7, and when you're writing it, just use the superscript of 7, and everyone will understand what you mean. So in major, all 5-7 chords are naturally dominant 7s. In minor, we raise flev to sev to also make them dominant 7s. And historically, the reason that 5-7s have that 7th is because it used to be a passing tone. So you start with your 5 chord. Here it's in first inversion. And you have 5 as your melody note. And then have a passing tone down to 3. 5, 4, 3. And that's where the rule that you always want to resolve 4 down to 3, resolve that 7th down, that's where that rule came from, because originally it was a passing tone. So in order for it to function as a passing tone, it has to, pass. 5, 4 down to 3. People liked the sound of 4 against sev, that tritone, and how it resolved. So that satisfying resolution is why it became so popular. And there's just a diagram there. So yeah, that's what we got. So go ahead, practice writing and identify dominant sevens, and I will see you next time.